SaaS scores. Yes. And ratio data measured on the continuous scale and thus had a natural zero point. So ratio data are meaningful. For example, we had a monthly say delivery time, a wait time, or is some ratio data. And you know that we are in the big data century because we had a lot of data every day. For example, in the last minute, there was here is a big number with the 204 million emails sent. Most 61 hours of music listened to on the Baroda, 20 million photo views, 100,000 tweets, 6 million views, and yet a lot of Facebook looking or Google search or what picture on Flickr. And the company leverage data to adapt the product and service to meet customer needs, optimize operation, optimize infrastructure, and find new source of revenue. So company can review more patent or anomaly. For example, IBM company estimates that by 2015, there are 4 million 4.4 million jobs will be created globally to support the big data. And only in the United States, there are 1.9 million of these jobs will belong to United States. Yes. And where does big data come from? Data enterprise partner, employee, the public, commission, or social media here. So that here is the source for the big data account. And the big data has some characteristics. The first is volume. The second is variety, and the last is velocity. Yes. Because you know that growing quantity of data and quickness the speed of data and increase the size of data. And here is the map explain with the big data characteristic is the key issue for the organization. For example, for velocity of the data, or volume of data, or variety of data. This figure from Gartner Webnia in 2012. What is volume? You see, the volume is means that exactly the data. So when the volume is big, it's difficult to access data. And here is some amount, how to amount of data by the terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, or zettabyte. Yes. And how about the velocity? Velocity means that is the massive amount of streaming data. Velocity is streaming data. And how about the variety? Variety means that the massive set of unsharp or semi-sharp data from web traffic, social media, sensor, and so on. It's a variety. And the big data has many opportunities. It will make the better informed decision or have to discover hidden insight or automate business process. How about the fuel data? Take a look about the global data business in oil and gas market revenue by region in 2018, and you see the big big figure about the oil and gas market. And here is the oil and gas analytics market from the 2019 to 2030. With a lot of key business opportunity, service application, and the market value in 2030 is in only in the America is $49 billion. And there are many benefits of the big data in the oil and gas industry. It will help us improve overall productivity, decrease environment hazard, improve drilling and production performance. So we will get the big value for the big data in the oil and gas industry. And then, like, what is the data analytics? When you see in the picture, you see that the data quantity, the statistics, probability modeling, yes, they are lost in this figure. And by the Wikipedia, the data analytics is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusion, and supporting decision making. By the Gartner, he defined that leverage data in particular functional process or application to unlock context-specific insight that is actionable. By ITC, they define data research using current data sets to extract useful information to support advanced decision making. And here is the data analytics pillar and foundation. We see that the data people, process, technology, and here the analytics is a home for people, process, and technology. And how about the data analytics architecture? We have the data layer in the first. And like a translation, it means that we will cleaning, processing, interpretation, or preparation. Yes. And next step here, next step is the analysis or visualization. Yes. By the zone Turkey, the created value of a picture is when it forces to notice what we never expected to see. And we know that there are a lot of uncertainty of data. For example, here is the figure explain how is the uncertainty of data. What is the one in business leader? Yes. And we had the analytic model here. The first year is we have the information, and the next is descriptive analytic, what happened. And after that, we hear the only insight. And in the insight, we will notice analytics. What did it happen? And what will happen is the predictive analytics. And in the foresight or optimization, we had prescriptive analytics. It means that how can we make it happen? And with the value and the scope, you see that is more difficult. What is the first descriptive analytics? Descriptive analytics just we use the reporting dashboard or data visualization. For example, we can use the traditional BI or Excel to descriptive analytics. How about predictive analytics? Predictive analytics means that we will use algorithm for predict analytics, such as regression analysis, machine learning, neural network,